Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing fine. Last class, we completed formation of soil, three types of soil. Today, we are going to study about red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, and soil conservation. Let us move on. Red soil. These soils are formed as a result of breaking up of the igneous rocks. They have a mixture of clay and sand. They are red in color because they contain a great quantity of iron oxides. These soils are formed in areas of low rainfall. These soils cannot retain moisture for a long period. So, they are mostly cultivated during the rainy season. They can yield food crops with the help of fertilizers. Red soils are found in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, southern eastern Maharashtra, Orissa, and Madhya Pradesh. Groundnut, jowar, ragi, and tobacco grow well in this soil. Laterite soil. Laterite soils are typical soils of the tropical regions which receive heavy seasonal rainfall. They are developed by leaching on the high level plateaus and hills receiving high rainfall. This soil is red in color with a high content of iron oxide. It is acidic and unsuitable for cultivation because it cannot retain moisture. This type of soil is found in rainy regions of the Western Ghats, Maharashtra, Odisha, and some parts of Western Bengal and Northeast regions. This soil is very useful for growing tea and coffee. Red laterite soils in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala are more suitable for crops like cashew nut. Mountain soil. They are found in the Himalayan region. They vary in different regions according to the altitude. The soil in the mountains is very coarse as it contains gravel and pieces of stone. They are rich in iron but deficient in lime. This type of soil is found on the slopes of the hills in Jammu and Kashmir, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. Wheat, maize, barley, fruits, tea, coffee are grown in this soil. Tea is grown in those areas which receive sufficient rainfall. Soil conservation. Soil is indeed one of the most essential factors that affect life on earth. The topmost layer of the soil is the most fertile layer. However, this layer gets carried away easily by wind, water, or rain. This is known as soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the carrying away of the top layer of soil by wind or water to a different place. Trees are cut to make for constructing roads and buildings. What is deforestation? Cutting down of trees in large numbers is called deforestation. Roots of tree hold the soil in place, but in the absence of trees, the soil becomes loose and gets removed. How can we prevent the soil erosion? Let us see some important measures that can be taken to prevent soil erosion are described below. Planting of trees. This is the first step towards preventing soil erosion. Terrace farming in hills and building embankments along the river banks are some other methods of preventing soil erosion. Farmers should use organic fertilizers such as cow dung to improve the fertility of the soil. Farmers should also practice crop rotation to maintain the fertility of the soil. That's all for today's class. Hope you all understood. Thank you everyone. Meet you next class. Till then, revise the chapter and take care. Bye.